Good morning dear students. Today we are going to learn about volleyball. We will learn about the volleyball history, volleyball court, ground, measurement and about the equipment. First of all, we will see history of volleyball game. So in history, William Morgan invented the volleyball game in 1895 at Holyoke, Massachusetts. Massachusetts is a popular state in England. The Young Men's Christian Association, that means YMCA. So YMCA is a sports institute in London where he served as a director of physical education. Morgan originally called this new game Minton It. The name volleyball came about after a demonstration game of sports. When a spectator commented that the game involved too much volleying. Volleying means, dear students, as we know that in volleyball game the ball is moving here and there. That means an object moving in the air without touching the ground. The same thing is in volleyball game. So after that it was renamed volleyball. Volleyball is a game in which players hit the ball with their arms or hand. It was introduced in the volleyball. It was introduced in Olympic Games in 1964. That means it is started in Olympic Games in 1964. The Volleyball Federation of India was established in 1950. The first national championship for men was held in 1952 in Chennai, and Mysore won this championship. However, the first women national championship was held in 1952. However, the first women national championship was held in 1953 at Jabalpur, where Uttar Pradesh won. So dear students, now we will see about the measurement of the volleyball. Okay dear, now we will discuss about the court measurement. So measurement of the volleyball court is 90 meter, so 18 meter in length and 9 meter in breadth. Is that clear? And one center line, that is called center line. So center line divides the court into two equal halves. Is that clear? So what is the measurement? 18 by 9 meters, right? Now we will discuss about one more line. That means from the center line we will make one more line from the center line 3 meter away from the center line. So one more line we will make, that is called attack line. So same thing is in opponent court. Same thing is opponent court. Now we will discuss about the pole. So dear students, the pole height from the ground level for the men is 2.43 meters and for women 2.24 meter. Is it clear? Now measurement of the net. So net length is 9.50 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Right? Now you can see, dear students, so this is square of the net and this is mass, we can say mass also. So 10 by 10 centimeter. Is it clear? Now we will discuss about the points like start. So volleyball game is started with the toss, right? The team which wins the toss, so that team will decide side or service. Is it clear? Second point about the scoring. So scoring, so at international level 5 sets will be played, 5 sets, and each set is of 25 points. Is it clear? And team which wins 3 sets, so they will be declared as a winner team. Is that clear? Now we will talk about the official. So officials required in volleyball team. So there are 7 officials required in volleyball team. 1 referee, 1 scorer, 1 umpire and 4 linesmen. Dear students, you can see here the four lines, right? So and last line last line, that is called also finish line and end line, right? One more thing is there. So any of the court, suppose this court is here, so right side of the court, so we will make their service area. Right now we can service only and only at the right side of the court, right? And it is 3 meter in length service area. Right now any player can service from there only. Is it clear? Now we will talk about the skills, little skills. So in volleyball, first point is there service. So service can be done by 4 ways, right? So we will discuss about the service. Now service, how can you do service, right? So there are 4 service: simple service, round robin, that means sidearm service, tennis service, and smash service, right? First of all we will see underhand service, that is called simple service also, right? We will see. So in simple service, the player stands in service area, left leg forward side, and with the left hand we have to toss the ball in front of us, in front of our face. Is it clear? Now we will see likewise, and after the tossing ball we have to hit with the right hand. Is it clear? Now service. Okay dear, this is underhand service, this is underhand service and simple service. That should be reach to the opponent court, right? And next service, sidearm service, sidearm service or round robin service. So in sidearm service the player stands sideways, that means your left position should be at net, right? And left leg forward side, and we have to do with the right hand, we have to hit with the right hand, and we have to toss the ball with the left hand. Likewise you can see this is round robin service. Is it clear? Now service number 3, tennis service. So dear students, tennis service, it is also called overhead service, right? So in this technique you have to toss the ball 2 to 3 feet above of your head. Is it clear? Likewise, and you have to hit with your right hand. Likewise this is tennis service, right? Now last service, now smash service. So this is the latest service and latest technique. Generally players are using this technique, this service. Is it clear? So in this technique the players jumps and then will do service, right? Likewise again same as like tennis service. So you have to likewise. Okay, this is smash service. Is it clear? Now we will now we will talk about the ball. So ball circumferences should be 65 to 67, right? And the ball weight is 260 to 268 grams. Is it clear? Now one more skill is there, passing. So dear student, passing how will you do passing the ball, right? For example, this is passing, right? So with the passing we have to make a form with both the hands, and then after we have to pass the ball to the opponent court or to the in our court players also. Is it clear? This is the passing. So there are 2 types of passing. This is underhand passing and now overhead passing. Overhead passing you can do with the fingers. Likewise again one more, right? This is overhead passing. So overhead passing we will use our fingers, right? Next, suppose we talk about the other rules. So number of player in each team 6, and substitution player in 6 also, right? So that means there are 12 players in the volleyball game, right? Now maximum 6 substitutions can be changed in a set. Even all the 6 substitutions can be changed at once. And now one more thing, the substitutions can be done while the ball is dead. One more player is there designed as a libero, right? So libero must wear in a different colorful jackets or t-shirts, right? And libero is restricted at back or defense. Next, rotation. The rotation will be done during the game, right? But after the sets, when the opponent team gets points, so then after the rotation, clockwise rotation will be done. Next, timeout. So each team is allowed 2 timeouts after the set, right? So the timing for the timeout is 30 seconds. Now interval. After the sets, the interval should be there, and interval timing is of only 3 minutes. That's all, dear. Thank you.